In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CRM software to effectively manage your client roster. Whether you're a small business owner or a solo entrepreneur, using CRM software can help streamline your processes and keep track of your clients more efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to organize and track your clients in a way that saves you time and helps you grow your business. Stick around till the end for a special offer on the software we're using today. Let's dive in. First things first, if you haven't yet set up your CRM software, head over to the dashboard. Here's where all your client data will live. The software we're using today lets you easily add client profiles, so start by clicking the Add New button. This will allow you to create a new entry for each client. When adding a new client, you'll want to include essential information like their name, email, phone number, company, and any other relevant details like social media profiles or preferences. Make sure to fill out all the important fields to keep everything organized. Once you've added the basic info, you can create custom fields for things specific to your business, like products purchased or service preferences. This will help you tailor your communication and offerings in the future. Next, let's talk about managing your client interactions. This software makes it easy to log every call, email, and meeting you have with a client. Each client profile allows you to add notes and track communication history. Whenever you have a conversation, make sure to log it so you can refer back to it later. This ensures that no important details slip through the cracks and helps you maintain a personal touch with your clients. Now, let's take a look at your client pipeline. In most CRM software, there's an area that allows you to track the progress of your relationship with each client. This could be as simple as moving them from new lead to active client, to completed project, or follow-up. It's important to keep this pipeline updated to easily identify where each client stands in your process. This helps you prioritize your efforts, follow up when necessary, and track which clients might need additional attention. Another essential feature is task management. You can create tasks for follow-ups, meetings, or any other actions you need to take. These tasks can be assigned to yourself or your team, and the software will send you reminders when something needs to be done. Staying on top of these tasks ensures you never miss a deadline and keeps things running smoothly. Finally, let's talk about reports and analytics. Most CRM software provides reporting tools that let you track key metrics like sales performance, customer satisfaction, and engagement levels. This is where you can dig deeper into your data to understand trends, spot issues, and identify opportunities for growth. Make sure to check your reports regularly to keep your client management strategy on track. Here's your key takeaway. CRM software is essential for managing your client roster effectively. By organizing client details, tracking interactions, managing tasks, and reviewing reports, you'll be able to stay on top of your clients' needs and build better, long-lasting relationships. To recap, make sure to input all your clients' info, track communication history, use the pipeline feature to monitor client progress, set reminders with tasks, and regularly review your reports. These steps will ensure you're staying organized and proactive. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we've used in this tutorial. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.